Yes, YouTube, that is my van you're looking at. We are under a winter storm warning until 12 a.m. Thursday. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected here, falling at an inch per hour. This is my dad's van. Not really covered too bad. This is my van. It's totally, almost completely covered. And we're finally starting to get our snows of the season. We might have a white Christmas. I don't know. If it keeps coming at this rate, we will have a white Christmas. This is a current weather map. And as you can see where it says Saginaw, which would be right there, we are in the winter storm warning. So yeah, we're looking at a major winter mess.